Alright guys, so we're Outback. This is a 2015. You guys ever came across with this problem here? Make this little bit of noise on this trunk. So let's try to open it up here. There we go. So it opens up, makes that sound, and then it closes automatically. Try again with the remote. That's it. That's all. Doesn't go up any more higher than that. There's a couple of problems. I believe I was expecting the hood lift supports on both sides is shot. It's not holding up the weight of this trunk. And another problem is this automatic motor with a prop rod that pushes the hatch up, so they will go up all the way. So let's give this a try again. Open it up, and then we'll assess with our hand. See that sound making, I believe, on that motor right there, or the prop rod. Try again. Try this again. We'll put the camera this time down here, and we'll listen for that knocking, clicking sound. All right, let's close the hatch, and then when this is down, it's closed. When this arm is up, watch on this area right here, this sprocket area. That's where the sound, I'm guessing, is coming from. All right, so it's hard to see because I was outside. I'm gonna try to stay inside the hatch here, and I'm gonna close it. Let's see if this will make a obvious noise. Nothing. Bring it up. Bring it up again. Bring it up. Alright, so this prop rod, I believe it's not this one, because when this thing going up and down, I tried to feel it, the vibration of that knocking sound. It's not this side, it's more on this side here. So I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna wiggle this hatch up and down. We'll make some noise on this thing right here. Go like this. Hopefully you can feel that. Nothing. All right, I'm gonna take out this prop rod. I'm just gonna show you guys what's going on in this area right here, because I'm for sure that it's not the prop rod that I'm trying to replace here. Take out this retainer out, and then same thing on the top. Take out the retainer out. There you go. Here's a prop rod. It's supposed to be bent like that. That's how they design. All right, so you can see here that it's not holding up high, this hatch, because of this lift support is shot. Look at this, like it would just go down. It's not holding it up high. So we ordered a part already. It's on its way in the next couple of days. We're just gonna support this with or the shovel right there. Yeah. All right guys, so let's try this again. We're gonna listen to this this motor and gears. We're gonna listen to it. Oh, look at that. That's probably the sound that's making. So now we could, without a load on here, because of the prop rod is gone, let's try. It feels like this is loose. Look at this. This thing is loose right here. See? This is the gear and this is the motor. So it's loose here somewhere. Definitely you need to replace this whole thing. You don't want to replace part by part because this is all probably worn out, all those sprockets. Let's try to tighten up that nut and see how it works. All right, just use a 10 mil on that nut right here. Let's tighten that up. Okay, it's moving, but it will stop when you reach to the top here. There you go. Oh yeah, it's loose. Look at it. See that? There's a lot of play on that thing. Alright, we got the prop rod installed. There's load on this now. Let's give this a try. Let's see if it makes a noise again. Or I'm just assisting it up because it's hard to get up there. But it's not making a noise. It makes noise when this hatch goes up. When it goes down, it doesn't make a noise. Let's try it again. It's going down. The sound is gone. It should make noise now. Like earlier it made some noise. Wow. It looks like the noise is gone, guys. All I did was tighten up that nut right there. It was a little loose. Let's try it again. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep trying. Definitely needs a lift support left and right. Okay, going up. Wow, no noise. You should start clicking. I'm moving it up and down the hatch. See if wow. All right. I guess to me it's a fix. That sound is gone. Jesus Christ. Is that easy? That's it? Come on. No. Try again. Huh. All right, I guess that fixed the problem. We'll come back with this fix until we get the right part for this lift support here, both sides. And then let's see how it goes again, because definitely that noise right here. I was trying to search online about this area here, that knocking sound. I only see one video that making a sound, but nobody talk about it. What was the fix? So this is it, guys. This is the fix. Here is tighten up that nut right there. It was loose. There's a lot of play. If you tighten this up and you still have that sound, definitely you're gonna need the whole new mechanism right here with the motor, with all those gears and sprockets. All right, so this is Outback, same thing as I believe Essence 2015 and up. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up. See you guys again on our next one.